Brig Ramshu. Dear students, today we come with one another lesson, lesson 9. In the last class we have studied pronominal suffixes added to singular forms, plural forms and exceptions. Today we study the lesson 9, farewell of Moses and Aaron. Take your text, see the pages 75 to 76, pages 75 to 76. See the title written in Syriac, Moshe wa Aharon Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. See once again, Moshe wa Aharon Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. Moshe, the name of a person, a biblical character. Wa means conjunction. Wow, conjunction. Aharon means Aaron, a biblical character, Old Testament priest. Aharon. Then Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. Omarin, they said, Pushba Shalomo, stay in peace, Pushba Shalomo Lahadode, to one another. Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahadode means farewell. See once again, read the title, farewell of Moses and Aaron. See the Syriac title, Moshe wa Aharon Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. This lesson is written by Mor Balai. The name of the person, Mor Balai. Mor Balai, Mor, the holy man, a saint, holy person. Mor Balai. Balai, name of the person. Okay, Mor means saint, holy man. Okay, then Mor Balai lived in the first half of the 5th century. See, we are in 21st century. Mor Balai lived in the first half of the 5th century. Nothing is known of the life of this poet except that he was a cor episcopo. Cor episcopo means a bishop for the village. A bishop for a village. Cor episcopo. It is an ecclesiastical title. He was a holy man. Cor episcopo is an ecclesiastical title. Ecclesia, it comes from the Greek word ecclesia, the people of God. Ecclesiastical title, a title which belongs to church, the ecclesia. Okay, perhaps in the area of Aleppo, not Aleppo, but Aleppo in Syria. Okay, many short liturgical supplication hymns in the 5-syllable meter are attributed to him. Many of the liturgical supplication hymns in the 5-syllable meter are attributed to him. And also it is known as the meter of Balai. These hymns are known as the meter of Balai, the typical of Balai. See the text. Yemar Moshe Shel Bashalomo. Yemar, he said. Whom? Moshe. Moshe means Moses. Moses, the leader. Moses, the leader of Israelites. Moses, the biblical character. Moses said, Emar Moshe. Moses said, Shel Bashalomo. Shale means go. Go. But Shalomo, Beth, the particle is prefixed to Shlomo. Shlomo means peace. Shlomo, peace. Shalom Lakulkun, peace be with you. Shlomo, peace. Okay? Go in peace. Peace means the tranquility of mind and body. The peaceful state of mind and body, peace. Go in peace. P-E-A-C-E. See, once again, Emar Muse Shel Bashalomo. Here Shlomo, the Greek word, begins with a non-voweled letter Shin. That's why the prefix to Beth is voweled as A. Futoho. A vowel. Then it is pronounced as Bashalomo. Bashalomo. Emar Muse Shel Bashalomo. Emar Muse Shel Bashalomo. Moses said, go in peace. Moses, the leader, said to the brother priest, go in peace. Who is Aharon? Aaron. See, Kohano, Urhimo the Bet Aloho. Kohano means priest. Kohano, we have already studied. Kohano, priest. Urhimo, adjective, the loving priest. The loving priest. The priest, one who cares and loves. Kohano Urhimo, the loving priest. The Bet Aloho, or the loving priest in the house of God, means temple, church, temple, the religious place. Okay? The Bet Aloho, Bet, the constructive form of Baitu, Bet Aloho, house of God. See, once again, the loving priest of the house of God, house of Lord, the loving priest of the house of Lord. Moses saying farewell to the priest who dwells in the house of Lord. See the next sentence. Emar Aharun Pushba Shalomo. Emar Aharun Pushba Shalomo. Emar, he said, who? Here it is Aaron. Emar Aharun. Aaron said. Pushba Shalomo. Push means stay. Shale means go. Push means stay. Push. Bashalomo. But the particle is prefixed to Shlomo. In peace. Then it is Aaron said, stay in peace. Oh Moses, stay in peace. Stay in peace. Then the next sentence. Aho Urhimo. Aho Urhimo. Aho means brother. Brother. There are two leaderships. One is Moses, the leadership of Moses. The other one is Kohano, the Aaron, the leadership of Aaron. But they are as brothers. They are living as brothers. They are caring and loving one another. Okay? Here, Aho Urhimo. Aho means brother. Urhimo means the loving brother. The one who loves. There is no division. There is no quarrel. You see? They are caring and loving one another for the well-being of the people. That's why the loving brother, Aho Urhimo, the loving brother, The rahame more. The rahame more. Here dolat means who. Dolat, the particle, has different grammatical meanings. It depends upon the construction of the sentence, syntax of sentence. See, here dolat means who. Rahame, loud. More, his master. Why here he is the loving brother? Because he loved his master. He is seeking the will of his master. Who is his master? Here the master is the absolute being, God, Lord, master, the will of master. That's why they each other have the care and love. They are behaving as brothers. That's why there is a unity. Okay? You see, Aho Rahimo, the loving brother. The Rahame, who loved Morio means master, a lord. More, the pronominal suffix, third person, masculine, singular is suffixed. More, his master. Aho Urhimo, the Rahame More, the loving brother who loved his master. See the next one. Yemar Muse Shel Bashlomo. Yemar, he said, whom? Moses said, Shel, go. Bashlomo, go in peace. Go in peace. Here peace is one another name for God, the absolute being. The personification of peace. Okay, go in peace. Move with the absolute being. Be with the Holy One. That's why go in peace. One who moves, one who lives with the Holy One, the absolute being, is in a state of tranquility. Tranquility of mind and body. Okay? Moses said, go in peace. To whom? To Aaron. Kohano the Asek. Kohano the Asek. Debahe Shalme. Kohano priest. The who. Dolad who. Asek means offered. Who offered? Who offered? What kind of sacrifice? Debaho sacrifice. They have debahe sacrifices. Plural form. Debahe sacrifices. Who offered sacrifices? What kind of sacrifices? Shalme. Shalme means perfect sacrifice. Debahe Shalme. Perfect sacrifice. The priest can satisfy, please the absolute being only by offering perfect sacrifices, holy sacrifices. He himself. Okay? Holy sacrifices. See, here, Kohano the Asek, O priest, who offered Debahe Shalme, perfect sacrifices. Who is the priest one who offers perfect sacrifices? Here Aaron is the priest of God. Aaron the priest. Okay? See, once again. Yemar Aharun Pushba Jalomo. Yemar, he said, whom? Aaron, the priest. Aaron said, Pushba Shalomo, stay in peace. Stay in peace. There are a lot of the problems of leadership. but stay in peace. Be with your master. Stay in peace. Be with your master. Then, O Emar Aharun Push Bashalomo. Shlomo Bashalomo. Beth is prefixed. And a vowel is given. Because Shlomo, the Syriac word, begin with the vowel as she. That's why the prefixed particle Beth is with a vowel. Bashalomo. Push. Stay. Then, Aaron said, stay in peace. To whom? To Moses, the leader. Aho Daziyar. Aho Daziyar. Kul Gabaravo tu. Aho Daziyar. Aho, oh brother. Oh brother. Oh brother. Daziyar, who performed. Who performed. Kul, everything, every. Gabaravoto, mighty acts. What kind of mighty acts performed by Moses? Take the Old Testament and read from it. Which are the mighty acts performed by Moses? Oh brother, oh Moses, oh brother. The Ziyar, who performed. Kul Gabaravoto, every mighty acts. Mighty acts means miracles. Miracles. Miracles are the actions beyond to his human capability. Okay? Oh brother, who performed every mighty acts. Aho Daziyar Kul Gabaravoto. Gabaravoto plural form. Kul, every, all. Daziyar, who performed. The all is prefixed to CR. CR, Samakat. CR, performed. Okay? See the next line. Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. The repeated sentence. Moses said, Emar Moshe, Moses said, Shel, go. Bashalomo, in peace, go in peace. Moses said to Aaron. It is a dialogue in between Moses and Aaron. Aaron is the high priest. And Moses is the leader. The one who stands for God. Aaron. Who offers sacrifices. Who lives in the temple. The dwelling place of God. The other one leads the people. Okay, see. Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Moses said, go in peace. Shel Bashlomo. Go in peace. Then, Kohano the Shamali. Kohano the Shamali. Sebion More. Kohano the Shamali Sebion More. Kohano, O priest. O priest. The Shamali means who fulfilled. The Shamali who fulfilled. Sebion will more his master. Sebion will more his master. Once again, O priest who fulfilled his master's will. Okay? Emar Aharun Push Bashalomo. Emar Aharun, Aaron said, Push Bashalomo, stay in peace. The repeated sentence. Again, stay in peace. Aaron said, stay in peace. Aho the Ahet. Aho the Ahet. Manno Aho the Ahet. Manno Luomo. Lamo. Aho the Ahet. Manno Lamo. Aho means, oh brother. Oh brother. The Ahet, who brought down. Dolet means who. The grammatical term of Dolet here is who. Who. It means who. Ahet. Ahet means bring down, brought down. brought down. Manna, mannu, manna. Manna is a kind of bread. Manna. See the Old Testament and see the meaning of manna. Manna is originally from Hebrew. Manna, the Hebrew word, means what is it? What is it? Manna. Manna is a kind of bread. Heavenly bread. Okay? Then, manno lu amo. Lomad is prefixed to amo. Lomad means for. Lomad, the particle, means for or to. Amo means people, the people. See once again, aho the ahet manno le amo. Oh brother who brought down manna for the people. Who is the brother who brought down manna for the people? Manna for the people. Moses is the brother. Where? In the desert. Who brought down manna for Israelites? Okay? See once again. Lesson 9. Farewell of Moses and Aaron. See the title in Syriac. Moshe wa Aharon Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahodode. Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahodode means farewell. Farewell. Moses and Aaron. See, it is written by Moab Balai. The meter of Balai is very famous for liturgical supplication hymns. Mar Balai was a choropiscopo. Choropiscopo is an ecclesiastical title. Episcopo, the Greek term, it means bishop. Chor means village, the bishop of a village. Okay? Who lived in the first half of the 5th century. First half of the 5th century. See the text once again. Yemar Moshe Shel Bashalomo. Yemar Moshe Shel Bashalomo. Kohano Ruhimo du Bet Aloho. Yemar Aharun Push Bashalomo. Aho Ruhimo the Rahame More. Aho Ruhimo the Rahame More. Yemar Moshe Shel Bashalomo. Kohano the Asik Debahe Shalme. Yemar Aharun Push Bashalomo. Yemar Aharun Push Bashalomo. Aho Daziar Kul Gabravoto. Aho Daziar Kul Gabravoto. Yemar Moshe Shel Bashalomo. Kohano the Shamli Sebion More. Sebion More means Master's will. Master's will means the divine will. Here the priest and Moses, the leader, sees the divine will. They want to fulfill the divine will or heavenly will on earth. Moses is a leader of people. Kohano, Aaron is a priest. Both of them are here for to fulfill the divine will, Master's will. Here the Master is Lord, God, the absolute being. See, Yemar Aharun Pushba Shalomo Aho Dahet Manno Leamo. Aho Dahet Manno Leamo. Dear students, develop ideas. Here there are different themes. Koheno, peace. Moses, leadership. Lord, the divine will. Priest and a leader. The peaceful coexistence. Okay? Develop the ideas and write an essay. There should be an introduction. Body of the text into different paragraphs. Conclusion and a moral teaching. Here each and every lesson with a moral teaching. Okay? Develop your own ideas. Develop the essay. Write with your own ideas from your wider reading. Okay? Study well. Thank you.